I was gifted this cat watering fountain and I'm so excited because Mrs. Pumpkinhead definitely wants some fresh water. I travel a lot and so I'm really excited to have this for her so that she has fresh water even when I'm on the go. I just unboxed this. This is the water tank. This is the top of the watering fountain. Here's the power cord, and then here's the filters and the spout piece. And then it also comes with a mat so that the ground stays clear around the water area. Let's get this set up so Mrs. Pumpkinhead has some very fresh water.